ERIKG. Making the difference. SleepWell Setup Tutorial. Download SleepWell App. Check invitation email. Click SleepWell App. Choose country. Fill in your email. Fill in your password. Sign in. Press menu. Go to setting. Rotate knob to access Wi-Fi. Press knob to turn on Wi-Fi. Return to main menu. Confirm Wi-Fi is ready. Turn on Bluetooth. Log in SleepWell app. Click Connect setting. Check serial number. Click New connection. Choose Wi-Fi hotspot. Enter Wi-Fi password. Confirm successful login. Confirm Wi-Fi icon. Wellell SleepWell app. Real-time CPAP sleep data at your fingertips.